Why is air conditioning important? You know that air conditioning helps keep us comfortable. It saves lives. Between 1960 and 2004, heat-related death in the United States 80% lower than they had been in the 59 years. In this situation, the air conditioning plays a very important role to reduce those numbers. HVAC industries are always keep looking for a people with the right skills. Once you master the skills, it becomes easy for companies to hire you. Let's start. After the end of this session, you would be introduced to the HVAC world. You would be able to define heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. You will also understand the type of air conditioning. You will learn the various applications and finally the working principle of air conditioning. Let's start introduction. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Heating system. Heating is the process of transfer of heat from higher temperature to the lower temperature, that is called as heating system. It consisting of two types. One is sensible heating, second one latent heating. Second point, ventilation system. Ventilation is defined as supply fresh air from outside to enclosed space and removal of inside air from enclosed space. That is called as ventilation system. There are two types of ventilation system. One is positive ventilation system. Second one is negative ventilation system. Third one, air conditioning system. In air conditioning system, to control temperature, humidity, cleanliness and air motion to maintain healthy and comfort of the equipment. Refrigeration system. 1 ton of refrigeration is 1 ton of water is converted into 1 ton of ice within 24 hours at 0 degree centigrade. That is called as 1 ton of refrigeration. 1 ton equal to 12,000 BTU per hour or equal to 3000 kilocalorie per hour. We designing the AC system for different applications like office, hospital, shopping mall, auditorium and theater, hotels and restaurants, commercial complex, pharma industry and telecom industry. In these places we are using different type of air conditioning system. The type of air conditioning system. There are majorly two type of air conditioning system. One is centralized air conditioning. Second one is non-centralized air conditioning. The last point, the principle of air conditioning system. In this system, there are four major components and their functions. First one, compressor. When vapor compresses inside the cylinder, it increases the temperature and pressure refrigerant, then is discharged to the condenser. The main function of the condenser is to convert vapor to liquid. The state of the the state of the refrigerant is high temperature and pressure. And the third component is expansion valve. The function of expansion valve is to reduce the pressure, then discharge to the evaporative column. The last component is evaporative. The main function of the evaporator is it converts low temperature, low pressure liquid into low temperature, low pressure vapor and discharge to the compressor. This completes the cycle and the working principle. Thank you for watching this video. Myself Muhammad Rafiq. Please subscribe my channel. Press bell icon to upcoming notification. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section box. Thank you.